Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'm with you again with another series of trading videos with Candlestick Psychology. I want to do a few trades on the PocketOption broker and review the tips and patterns together. So I suggest you follow me until the end of the video. Okay. We are on the AUD to CAD currency pair in the OTC market. The candlestick time is set to 1 minute and we set the trade time to a 1 minute floating. I entered the higher trade. If you look, a morning star reversal pattern has formed at the end of the downtrend, on a strong zone of buyers for me. A good reversal pattern, that is why I entered the higher trade. You can see that a new high has been formed for me. Okay. It is continuing its path. We have a momentum trend, and on the other side there is a possibility of a reverse momentum forming. I entered the lower trade. Look. Our trend is downtrend. The candlestick shadow closed exactly at the round number level, and the candlestick received pressure and rejection from the level. Also, our momentum trend is an unbalanced momentum trend due to the small and large sizes of the candles. Therefore, there is a possibility of a red candlestick forming. We enter the trade in the same direction as the downtrend. I'm trying to find opportunities to review important and recurring points and patterns. I entered the lower trade with a margin of safety. Look. We have a downtrend. A bearish golden area has formed. After the first red candlestick formed, I entered the lower trade. There is a possibility of the downtrend continuing in the golden area and the candles continuing to move until they reach the next level. Okay. Look. Since the red candlestick closed at the level and received pressure and rejection from the round number level, I entered the lower trade with a margin of safety so that we could exit the position with a profit. That is, the margin of safety helped us to guarantee the profit of the trade. Please pause the video and tell me why I entered the lower trade. Well, if you look closely, we have a downtrend. Again, a lower high has been made for me compared to the previous high, which means that the power and momentum are still in the hands of the sellers. We have a strong red candle and a gap and distance to the next level. That is why I entered the lower trade. Very good. Well, look carefully. On the left, we have a dangerous zone, and we should not trade here at all. But this zone can affect the price and behavior of the candles on the right and cause strong fluctuations and inappropriate and dangerous movement in the candles. That is why we need to be careful, so we search to find another position. For example, look at this chart. In a small range of 20 candles, we have a lot of indecisive and weak candles. This means that we are in a bad market here and we should not trade. So we always look for normal and healthy charts to trade. Same here. But in this situation, I use a 5-second confirmation. First, I go to the 5-second time frame. In the 5-second confirmation trade, I entered the lower trade when the first full red candle formed. Because there is a possibility of a fake breakout, we wait for the position to be closed. In the 5-second confirmation method, we enter the trade when we see the first full and complete candle. I will definitely give you a full explanation in a separate video about using the 5-second confirmation. Let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, I entered the higher trade. Look, our trend is an uptrend. We have a bullish golden area here. So I entered the higher trade when the first green candle formed. In the previous part of the psychology of candles, I gave you a complete tutorial about the golden areas. Okay. Don't forget to practice and trade on the tips, and try to look at the candles at different times and analyze and predict the behavior of each candle according to the instructions. It is better to write down your analysis and use journaling to do this. I will definitely post a complete tutorial on the journaling method on the channel so that you can gain more control over the topics, tips, and patterns by using this method and recording the results and reasons for the trades. If you like the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and send the video link to your friends. To register with PocketOption Broker, you can use the registration link below the video and get a 50 to 60% bonus to start practicing and trading for free. Remember, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, goodbye.